Hey sugar, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I'm Rox of RoxStarBakes and my passion is helping people make sweet treats. This week, I have a super quick tutorial on how to make an eggs and bacon sheet cake. I use 3 of my recipes, lemon cake, lemon curd, and a Swiss meringue buttercream that I will link in the description below so you have it. Let's get into it. Here is the tool card. Screenshot or save it. Like I mentioned before, I'm linking the recipes to my lemon sheet cake, Swiss meringue buttercream, and curd in the description below. You'll need sour candy belts, Swiss meringue buttercream in yellow, white, and black. An angled spatula would be really helpful for this project. You'll need 2 round piping tips. I used Wilton number 10 and Wilton number 3 tips. And you'll need a piping bag or a Ziploc bag if that's more convenient. So first, let's crumb coat the breakfast cake. I like to do this to lock in moisture, and I try to make the layer as thin as possible. My lemon cake is moist and perfect for decorating on. Look at those corners. I like to use the bottom of the baked cake as my decorating surface because it's so level. When completed, I place it in the fridge for 10 minutes before applying the frosting. This is 2 shades of yellow. Then I use a straight spatula or the back of a butter knife to pull away excess SMBC to the edges. I don't heat the knife because a room temperature knife or spatula is going to be warmer than what's just come out of the fridge anyway. In the past, when I've warmed up a spatula underwater, dried it, and then used it, it's caused my buttercream to curdle, and, well, I don't love that. When I finish frosting, I place it in the fridge for 10 minutes again. So what you are seeing now is the egg white adding phase. I use a round Wilton 10 tip to place 12 blobbies on this cake. In this phase, I use the angled spatula to flatten the tops to give some surface area for the curd. It's really fun and relaxing. If we stopped here, this could be a popcorn cake. I try to keep the edges round because it's cute. Here, I slow down the video to show you that I use the edge of the angled spatula to scrape towards me to create a flatter surface. I do this to all of the blobbies. Pop this into the fridge and you'll want to prep the curd by getting it into a piping bag, swishing it all around to get rid of the excess air, and then refrigerating it for at least half an hour. This only works when the curd is firm. Hold the buttercream to the height you want the curd and then pull it in a circular movement as you pull away. When you squeeze, you'll have to get a little forceful to get the curd out. Everyone say Instagram. Take the same angled spatula from earlier and flatten out the curd tips. You can leave it, no biggie, but it does look more like an egg if you remove it. I've tried to use my finger and it works just fine too. I add Gudetama's face to 1 egg on the cake because I personally like a modern and not too busy cake for this project. I use the black SMBC and a small round piping tip to make 2 lines for the eyes and an oval for the mouth. Then, with the white SMBC and a small round piping tip, fill in the mouth. I use a sour belt that has been lightly wet to remove the sugar to make the bacon. I like that this one is alternating pink and red so it looks like cartoon bacon. Okay, so do you get it? An eggs and bacon breakfast cake. Here's me placing the bacon again from a different angle. Baking success. If this video was helpful at all, like, share, subscribe, it definitely helps. And in the comments below, let me know what projects you want me to take on next. This is actually a collab with one of my friends, so I'm gonna link her information down below in the description so you can check out her projects too. In the meantime, tag me in what you're working on because I wanna see what you're up to. I hope you have a stellar week and thank you so much for watching.